Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about creative writing. What is creative writing? Creative writing is actually an art of presenting your ideas. It is any form of writing which is written with the creativity of mind. For example, let's say that you use your imagination to write a funny or interesting experience that actually happened to you. Or maybe you make up an exciting story about some greedy pirates. These are both examples of creative writing. Paragraph writing or story writing, poems are also considered as creative writing. Our today's creative writing is based on a paragraph. A paragraph is a short composition on a single theme. It is made up of sentences. The first sentence should introduce the theme. The next few sentences should develop the theme or give more details in an interesting manner. Then the last sentence should sum up the ideas in a clear manner. Today's work for you is to write about a visit to your favorite place. It can be a zoo, an amusement park, a hill station, or a beach. For example, if you are writing about a visit to a beach, how can you begin your paragraph? When and where did you go? My family and I went to the beach this summer. Then, what did you do there? We swam in the ocean and built sand castles. Then 3 to 4 sentences you can write about the activities which you enjoyed there. And then, in the end, did you enjoy your visit? Yes, I had a lot of fun with my family at the beach. This way you can write your paragraph. Always try to use new words. Do not repeat the same word again and again. I'm giving you a few question hints to write the paragraph. What is the name of your favorite place for a holiday? Where is it located? What is the place famous for? Do many people go there for a holiday? When did you go there? How many days did you spend there? What activities did you enjoy doing there? Did you buy something as a memory? Which food items did you enjoy at your favorite place? And would you like going there again? Now I hope that you have understood these points. Write the paragraph sincerely, keeping all important points in mind. Be particular about punctuation marks and spellings. Thank you.